We're back to equations. This is slide 20 or problem number 21. It says use exponent properties to write another equation to solve for x and show your work in your module. All right. So one of the things we saw in the previous lesson is we need to get an equation that looks like this with only two bases. And why am I picking the smaller base? Well, it's easier to pick the smaller one and change the bigger one than it is to do the other. All right, so 25 we need to rewrite. So we have 5 to the sixth equals 25 is 5 squared. And it was 25, this is 25, to the x power. Well, in order to do that, we need to put parentheses around this because if we were to go back a step, we would first want to square this, and then the x would show up. So now, kind of reading it forwards, that checks out. That tells me then that I'm going to use the power of a power, which gets me 5 to the 2 times x. Then we use logarithms and we kill the bases, and we're left with 6 equals 2x. And we get x equals 3. And with some of these, you can take your value back up to the top and actually plug it in or do a verify. You might need a calculator to help with that a little bit. But with a lot of the other problems up till now, they've been expressions, so we can't do verifies. And notice that these 4 problems are in fact equations.